I am Mohammed Khaled Zubair. I made this video for all. Paneer Korma, divine and delicious. There are few people in this world who do not like paneer dishes. Paneer dishes simply make a difference. You can recall the wonderful memories from childhood when your mother used to cook paneer at home. You grew up loving paneer. Paneer dishes, the kind they make at marriage functions, is awesome. The kind of paneer dishes they serve at restaurants is again a delightful experience. Probably the best selection among these is the paneer-based street food that they make, be it chillas, patties or paneer burgers, and how they serve it with tomato sauce, dhania, pudina chutney and imli chutney. Don't you sometimes wish that for that get-together of close-knit friends, you could cook paneer in a way that the occasion becomes all the more beautiful? With this recipe for paneer korma, you are sure to find some delightful compliments coming your way, as your guests rave in admiration. Paneer korma happens to be one of those dishes which tastes great, don't take all that long to cook, and turn you into one fine cook overnight. You'd have to try it to believe it. Give the following recipe a try, or catch the video for the same. Paneer korma preparation time, 10 minutes cooking time, 20 minutes serves for. Ingredients: 2 cups paneer, cottage cheese, cut in 12 mm, 1/2 inch, cubes, 2 medium-sized tomatoes, a 3/4 cup onions, grated 1 teaspoon chili powder, a 1/2 cup fresh cream, a 1/4 tsp turmeric powder, haldi, 2 green cardamoms, ilaichi, 2 tablespoons chopped coriander, 3 tablespoons oil, salt to taste. Recipe for paneer korma. First we will heat some oil in a pan. Once the oil heats up, add onions and sauté till the copyright it a bit till it becomes translucent. Add cardamom and tomatoes, boiled and chopped. Sauté till the fat separates. Now we will add red chili powder and a little turmeric. Let's sauté till the copyright it for 1 or 2 minutes. Mix well. Now we will add cottage cheese and white cream. Add salt as per taste and mix well. Sauté for some time. The paneer korma is ready to serve. Cottage cheese or paneer is a good source of protein, complex B vitamins, healthy fats, minerals such as calcium, magnesium, potassium, phosphorus, zinc and selenium. Benefits of cottage cheese: 1. Aids in digestion. 2. Helps strengthen bones. 3. Reduces risk of cardiovascular diseases. 4. Relieves muscle cramps, anxiety and stress. 5. Reduces risk of breast cancer. 6. Rich in antioxidant properties. 7. Boosts immune system. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Channel name: Khaled Zubair.